1, 2, 3. Hi, beauty. What? Hi, beauties. We got a task today. We're gonna do unboxing. We have a new arrival, Returnity. Okay, is there anything you guys want to start with first?
We can just start.
Gua sha?
Yeah. Wow. Look at the size difference.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, she's chunky.
Wait, it's so cute. Oh wait. Okay, so there's how many sides is this? So
this
there's
is 7 zones.
damn. To put oil.
This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Wow. Ooh, with 7 ergonomic massage zones for easy and effective circulation care anywhere. Have you guys done gua sha? Like for real?
No,
No.
I've never.
Me neither. But I actually kind of want to though.
Wow.
Yeah, my friend does it and it actually works. So.
Like it's like lymphatic,
Drainage.
right?
yeah.
I really want to try it on like my calves. Like imagine after a long day, you just like
yeah.
massage. Is it nice? Is your face getting smaller?
Snatch.
Sorry guys, it's hot.
Okay.
Okay, next one.
The face thing.
Oh!
Wow.
So
Fancy.
bougie.
No.
Bougie.
Oh no, so you
Yeah.
twist? You twist it.
I feel like that's so much nicer than like a click button. I feel like. Let me try my.
Will help your product to absorb.
Oh. I feel like that would be really good for like lifting as well.
Oh yeah.
This with a gua sha, game over.
Wow, am I snatched now?
Wow.
She was snatched when she came in.
Wow, I can see your collarbone.
And I feel like this one is so easy to use every day as well because you just,
It's so quick, whereas
Yeah.
gua sha is very like
it's very like
the
relaxed.
time.
Yeah.
Ritual.
The Yulmu Skin Clean Mask.
Ooh.
A wash-off type mask pack with delicate particles of Yulmu seed and soft kaolin formulation that immediately lowers the temperature of the skin and helps to
Wow.
purify pores, resulting in clean and smooth skin texture. It is really cold when I put it on though.
Really?
Oh my gosh, this feels so good.
What's the texture in there? Is that like a exfoliating?
I think it's like really soft, but because it's from like grains and like barley, I think the actual like exfoliating thing is super like squishy and soft. So it's like you can definitely like still feel that it's in there, but it's not like something like sugar scrub or anything like that. So I think this is better if you've got more like sensitive skin.
kind of like oat.
Yeah, it feels like
Does it
oats.
smell?
Yeah.
It smells like oats.
Ooh, I kind of like it. It's very soft.
It's very natural.
It smells like my porridge.
Natural
in the
smell.
morning.
Yeah.
Really?
Oh my gosh,
But
my
it looks very
skin looks
cool.
like baby soft right now. I don't know if there was a good like before and after difference. Wow. I don't know. I don't know how to explain, but it feels really soft.
Instantly.
Yeah.
I think it's really good for sensitive skin.
Yay!
Yay!
Last one.
Our last one. Yay!
I'm so excited for
I'm
this.
so excited for this.
Bro.
What is it?
This is
Ear.
seeds.
Yay! It's so chic.
Yeah. Wow.
It kind of looks like a wallet.
Three
type?
Yeah,
mix?
3 types.
Oh, I think this was Kristen.
Pearls.
Pearls.
Yeah.
Pearls.
Cute.
Your sparkly princess.
Okay.
And I'm just metal.
Wait, so these are...
Can you tell the difference?
Mine's pearl.
Mine's crystal.
Mine is chrome.
Chrome.
I think these are so cute.
This is so cute.
Because I think they're supposed to look like ear piercings, right?
Oh,
Yeah, it's supposed to look like earrings, but like
Should we try? Okay. I'm scared.
opening.
Wait.
There's 3 dots at the back.
So those are like the actual seeds.
Yeah, the acupressure kind of seeds. I guess they do 3, so it's like if you're a beginner, you're more likely to hit the right spot.
Yeah.
A certain point for
So
certain
there's like
things.
4 like areas that they have. So for area 1 is relax and recovery. Number 2 is for face line. And then the other one's for control and suppression. And the other one's for breast line.
line.
Hey, yo.
Wait, do you want to pick which one you want to do?
I'll pick the breast line one.
Damn. We can't. Okay, we can't all do it. And do you have to like press it in a little bit?
Are you sorry? Yeah.
It's a bit tingly.
Ooh.
Like, you know, after you get I was gonna say, you know, after you get your ear pierced, it feels like hot.
Oh, I've done it before.
Yeah, it feels like a little bit
Okay.
hot.
Oh.
It feels like something is like pressing on your ear.
I'm gonna try the
Really?
lifting, the face lifting.
Oh yeah, on your earlobes.
Yeah. Does it hurt?
No.
Oh, it's warm.
It's hot, right? It's like a
Yeah.
bit warm.
Like it's definitely doing something.
Oh yeah. Oh my
You
god.
know, like, well, I guess I can never have the stress relief one. Cause
Yeah. Yeah. That was Returnity. So cute.
what's your guys' favorite product?
Me? Low-key the gua sha. I like actually
Really?
really,
Gua sha was
want
really
the gua sha.
special.
Because I
it
love
felt
like
very-
massages.
Mm.
So I think this is my peak.
I kind of like the small gua sha,
Mm.
but I think this is really interesting because
Yeah.
I think it's so much more like if you're busy, this is easy and it's
Yeah.
kind of like a quick fix.
Yeah.
The ear seeds are cool. I'm curious to see if they like.
Actually works.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah. Like how effective it
This
is.
is
Yeah,
my
yeah.
favorite.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yay!
Thank you for watching.
Later.